Good afternoon, wherever you are. Hi, it's Carla talking. Hi. Yeah, well, where are we? Oh, who are you? Solid brass. Brahms. Anyway, straighten out the hook, the caulking hook, which actually fits in your cradle. Right here. Okay. If you got an Oerlikon cannon, you need to caulk it. So this is a caulking lever, US Navy style. And it fits in this hole here. Where am I? This iPad's so terrible. Okay. It was all crooked one. I got it. Oh, I'm sorry. Got stuck here. Okay, so this part goes here. Let me just redo this a little bit. Here we go. I can film it properly. So, you do put a nut here. These holes, 4 holes, are for the shields for an Oerlikon cannon, like those things. Heavy shields. However, this is long enough to extend out. You put a nut on it. It goes here. This hooks onto the hook on your Oerlikon cannon at the front. And this bracket here goes down to stabilize things. See the hole under there? I don't know who's going to be interested in this video, but that's how that works. These are all bronze, so I think you can probably see the bronze here. Kind of where the bolts have been removed. This is kind of, it's just dirt and paint, so once these are clean, they'll be shiny. Well, that's what I'm thinking of doing. So that's the hook repair job. Get it out. The hook. That needs a bit of brushing, and I think I'll paint it. I don't know yet. We'll see. Got a big chunk of Oerlikon cannon here. Legs sticking up in the air. Parts and pieces all over the place. So we'll put him back and go on to project number 2, which I'm doing today. Anyway, Major. Sort of the base down there. Another mount there. Okay, so still got this one. Alright, let's keep on going. Or I could put it on the other mount. I have the other cannon in the other room. All kinds of mounts and cannons. Project number 2. I'm gonna go over here. What today I'm on the headstock for this Seneca Falls lathe. Fits perfect. This is all scrap stuff I got on eBay, right? It's cheap, not thousands of dollars. So, next thing is I'm on a chuck. Here. And make a compound piece here that goes over here. Here. Fits on a clamp, and I'll use a compound and operate it actually by hand. Sort of a general purpose quick peeling lathe device. This one is basically the same but heavier. On this heavy T-slot table, that's about 600 up to 600 pounds now. Maybe more. I just like the project. I mean, I already got lathes. As you can tell in here. I just like making other machine tools. Yes, Doctor. Compounds and rafters of compounds and filling machine. I'm gonna stick to lathes for now. So this one is the 8,000 pound. They call them line gems. Works fine. This guy just needs. This is a jet lathe. Just needs the motor going again. Now here we got this little lathe, which I fixed up and got it running again. What else? The thing down here, this lathe. See it? Milling machine stuff. Drill press. A small radio drill. Various tables and stuff. And that kind of thing. Okay? Right out. So we got that covered, and it's the latest update. Been doing updates for a couple of years. A couple of years? Sort of. Yeah, kind of. Machinery stuff. All kinds of stuff here. Restoration projects. This lathe I use quite a bit. It's an old Japanese mini lathe. This one I don't use that much. I have maybe a dozen of these baby ones, vintage too. I should sell a few on eBay and get trade off power hacks over here. And then, as mentioned the other day, of course, I got all these lathes under here. So on and so forth. Oh, 7 minutes long. Here, I guess. Organizing this still. The armory. As I call it. Couple of cannon barrels up like this. More cannon stuff. 37mm cannon barrel. Homemade cannons. Target designation unit. Other stuff. 50 caliber mount. Here, take a quick look. Orlicon cannons, of course. Wow, I mean, this stuff's heavy. Oh, heavy! Just take a tour in here. Organization. Organization. Wow, this looks like some kind of a... Yeah, okay, whatever. Oh my goodness. And yes, all these crates are full. I should win an award for prolific collector of things. These are all pieces and parts. Taken apart, that is. Very old bronze cannon. Big heavy cannons here. That's all kinds of crazy things here. Wow. I put this in here so I don't smash my head on this 20 cannon barrel. Alright, Major, let's keep on moving. Wow, okay. Oh, yeah, I got another barrel here. A Beaufort's got a bunch of those. Never used as well. It's just too much stuff to show here. Okay. This is my spring leaping system, so I have a Beaufort barrel. Gives you the extra little step you need. Very funny, Major. Yeah, so we're good. Going this way, another cannon carriage. More stuff, Major. All legal. Don't break the law. Everything's legal. Here we have something from a German bunker. These are from International Military Antiques. Two brand new, never used Beaufort barrels, crated. And it goes on and on. Here's a gigantic matchlock wall gun. Everything in here is solid stuff. Vintage antiques, okay. Cannon barrels all over the place. They're very heavy, by the way. Although they're small, they're heavy. Compared to a 16-inch, they're very light. Okay, let's shut up.